Kemudian ada Pak Muhammad Ramli Rahim, Ketua Ikatan Guru
Kesejahteraan guru
Indonesia.
sebenarnya sudah baik sekarang. Yang problem adalah ketimpangan.
Hi, meet Muhammad Ramli Rahim, the Chief of Indonesian Teacher Association. Back in the day, Indonesian Teacher Association gave a statement about want to erase English learning from secondary school. This statement was given by IGI at discussion with Nadiem Makarim, the Minister of Education and Culture. In this statement, there was planning to erase English learning at secondary education and will focusing it at elementary school and focusing them at speaking material. Why? Because from the last decade, they saw on secondary education, the teacher is focusing them on grammar and make conversation or speaking forgotten. But I don't agree with their statement because they are just scared. You can see the standard of English learning in secondary education is way too high for them. Elementary students is often 6 till 20 years old, and according to data, English learning is more effective when they are at 4th grade and is can introduce to them at 1st grade. And they need to able master 4 basic English. That's it: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. But in 4th grade in elementary school, the student just need to able respond to instruction that given by a teacher in the class contact. Listening at 6th grade, the student just need to able give a response and give information to the classmate in some activity inside of the class and or outside of the class. And reading at 6th grade, the student just need to able read louder with precisely and then understand descriptive picture text and narrative picture text. Writing in the 6th grade, the student just need to able write a short, simple, functional text around the student context or in the class context. 6th grade speaking, the student just need to able speak out habit action. It's like asking help, giving help, asking something and giving something, and also they need to able giving information and how to good manner to the teacher and to the other students. So, alright, from this data we can see English learning in elementary school is right fit for them. It's like they can do it because it's so easy, because they can stimulate the English learning that given by a teacher. So if we force them to take English learning from secondary education, maybe they cannot take it because English learning on secondary education is way too high for them. Their brain cannot stimulate it. So yeah, I think my argument, the English cannot focusing on elementary school. The English still need giving at secondary education and high school and middle school. Alright, maybe just that for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and just like always, be humble and stay great.